எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனுங்கே தமிழனுங்கே உன் சீரிலமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
I'm happy to declare the 20th Convocation of Salem Arts and Science College open. I invite Dr. N. Rajway, the Principal of College, to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted and honored to welcome the gathering of 20th Graduation Day. First and foremost, I am delighted to offer a happy welcome to our chairman, Dr. P. Selvaraj, young educationalist who updates himself always for the betterment of society and is generous in offering education to Selvam educational institutions. Welcome you, sir. I offer a warm welcome to our trust member, Mrs. J.M. Selvaraj. I take this opportunity to welcome our Vice Chairman, Dr. S. Babu, who stands and supports all our educational activities and other works. I welcome you. I welcome our respected Secretary, Dr. Kavitra Nandini, a leader who strives to take the institutions to great heights. I welcome you, Madam. I extend a hearty welcome to our Chief Guest, Professor Dr. R. Jagannathan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Periyar University, Salem, for his valuable presence in our college. Welcome you, sir. Let me offer a pleasant welcome to Dr. K.S. Arulsamy, Controller of Examinations, who updates many aspects of the examination system for the best placement. Welcome you, sir. Next, I welcome our Vice Principals, Madam Mrs. K.K. Kavita, Dr. P. Thamarachelvan. I welcome you, sir, and welcome you, Madam. Next, I welcome Dr. A. Elavasu, Dean, Head Department of Microbiology. I welcome you, sir. Next, I welcome Head of the Departments, Teaching and Non-Teaching staff members, guests, parents, and press and media. Welcome you all. And above all, I feel very proud to welcome the young graduates of Selvam College. I welcome you all to the very big day of your lives. Yeah, I hope this day will be remembered forever. Finally, I welcome you all to the 20th Graduation Day of Selvam Arts and Science College, Autonomous, Namakkal. Thank you. I request Dr. K.S. Arulsamy, Controller of Examinations, to report the college activities and introduce the chief guest. I welcome you, sir.
Pleasant good morning to all of you. I feel delighted to introduce the chief guest as well to give the report of the college activities to this August gathering for the 20th graduation day of Selvam Arts and Science College, Namakkal. For any institution to progress, we have to plan and do something beyond what we have already mastered. We have a role model before us, our chief guest, Professor Dr. R. Jagannathan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Periyar University, Salem. It's my joy and privilege to welcome and wish our respected and lovable founder chairman, Kongu Chemmal Dr. P. Selvaraj, whose blessing adds to the pride of this memorable 20th graduation day. Our chairman is known for his service-minded plans, hard work, and perseverance in every undertaking. There is nothing impossible for him. His honest planning has always paved the way for success. His interest in value education and concern for the rural public have made him dedicate his 50 acres of land and provision for all facilities for our students. It's my great pleasure to wish Mrs. J.M. Selvaraj, a motherly person, a source of support not only to our chairman but also to all our employees of Selvam institutions. Our Vice Chairman Dr. S. Babu, the Prince of Selvam family, is a rare and gentle presence on our campus, and we consider ourselves fortunate to have him here. I feel joyous to note our generous secretary, Madam Dr. Kavitra Nandini Babu, who is known for her quick decision-making skills, participatory leadership, understanding and untiring efforts, and whose presence would elevate this morning to transcendence. I take this fortunate occasion to wish the best, to congratulate and wish our young and energetic principal, Dr. M. Rajavel, our vice principals, Mrs. K.T. Kavita, Dr. P. Thamarachelvan, and our dean, Dr. Elila Rasu, and the HODs of 15 departments, diligent faculty members, staff, parents, press, and the media persons, and the fresh graduates. This 25th May is a memorable day to receive your hard-earned degree certificate. We wish and pray for all your best. Let me briefly mention the history of our college. Selvam Arts and Science College was established under the auspices of V. Ponusamy Educational Trust. It is fully self-supporting and it has uplifted the downtrodden families in the neighborhood. Started with 2 departments, Computer Science and Commerce, to provide 3 programs during 2000-2001. And now we have 50 departments offering 29 programs with 2,288 students in the current year. Our college has 179 faculty members with metal and potential, of whom 9 have cleared NET set exams, 43 are PhD holders, 86 are MPhil holders, 32 faculty members are recognized to guide MPhil, and 10 are the PhD guideship. 28 faculty members have been approved by Periyar University. Our college has been recognized with secured with the 88th rank at the national level and the 33rd rank at the state level in the Educational World India Autonomous Colleges ranking 2023-24. Our college is conducting 188 programs, of which 8 are international, 14 are national, 12 are faculty development programs, and the remaining through special lectures, trainings, etc. 22 books and 25 papers are published by our faculty members. This year, of total 549 students have placed through the training and placement cell. Curriculum design and development, 15 departments offer 84 certificate courses, 14 vocational education trainings, bridge courses offered to all first PG students. Soft skills and communications are offered for all second, third and PG students throughout the year. Coaching class like spoken English, spoken Hindi, basic computer skills are provided. UG took the part, the extension service, empowering the rural people, NSS, OARC is provided as usual. Use value education for life and yoga practices followed. Results. The college has achieved a high pass percentage of 96% in UG and 94% in PG results. Continuous evaluation of students is done through snap tests, CAA 1, 2 and model exams. As per National Assessment and Accreditation Council guidance, feedback from students, parents, alumni and stakeholders are followed and action taken up to all their satisfaction. We make all our academic and administrative activities transparent and convincing. Sports achievements. Overall championship for the last 18 consecutive years in the Periyar University is very record. And for the last 16 consecutive years fencing tournament, 15 years in the cross-country meet. Few of our national level meet participation. South Zone Junior Athletic Championships, National Level Fencing, National Federation Cup, Junior State Level Fencing, Senior State Level Fencing, Junior State Level Athletic Meet, All India Inter-University Fencing, Athletic, Hockey, Kho and Judo. Research. 5 minor research projects were sent. Last year, 5 students got financial support for minor projects through Tamil Nadu Science Forum. Special features of the institution. Self-financing institution with excellent academic ambience is established in a rural setup to promote higher education. Institution to focus on the overall development of rural students. The academic programs offered are in line with the goals and objectives of the institution. It's aimed at promoting equity, self-reliant community development and employment potential. infrastructure and learning resources, new power flow, state-of-the-art open stage, basketball court, gym, parking in slang, language lab, new computer lab, conference hall, Selvam Incubation Center, digital library, ICT-enabled classrooms, students mentoring and support, student-friendly campus, insurance covered for all the students, periodic parent-teacher meeting is known to be conducted. Free sports hostel and for fees concession for sports students. Free noon meal scheme. Free concession for management. It has been to the tune of 1,43,650 on the whole. Government scholarship is known 36 lakhs, that's 4,210. Definitely the management contribution is nearly 3 times more. Eco-friendly campus, biogas plant, biotech park, solar energy, tree plantation, environment-friendly campus, daily good deed, adopted villages under Unap Bharat Abhinay and empowering rural people. Special offers by outstanding achievers. 50% fee concession for state level representations in sports. 100% fee concession for national level representation in sports. Free hostel for both state and national level representations in sports. Cash award of 5,000 for university gold medalists. Future plan is to offer online courses to boost up the certificates and skill development courses, computer literacy for all, and college of potential excellence, a center of excellence for rural development. And I am very happy to introduce a role model before us, our chief guest, Professor Dr. R. Jagannathan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Periyar University, Salem. His qualification is MSc Agriculture, PhD from the same Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. His total service is 36 years plus in the Agriculture University, along with his service in the self-financing postgraduate institution. Next to the service, teaching achievements. Taught 25 courses for UG, PG, PhD programs. 7 courses he newly designed and handled, written 15 manuals and 3 textbooks, developed curricula and syllabi for agriculture and horticulture, diploma of Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, BE Agri Engineering and Agro-Meteorology, UG coordinator for 2000 batch, BSc Agri students for 4 years, guided 14 PhDs, 19 masters and assistants continued. Next to his interest is the research achievements, mobilized 7.5 crores of rupees, funding including the international funding agencies, possessing unique experience in crop simulation models, weather forecasting models and regional climate models. Published 55 research papers in the peer-reviewed journals, 41 full papers, 19 abstracts in conferences and seminars. Obtained patent for 5 fertilizer, cricket and responsible for few technologies like low-cost autoclave, integrated deep management for cassava, etc. And his administrative experience, 9 years of administrative service and supervised contingent of research associate and senior research fellows. Managed the admission process at Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, supervised 30 staff members for 7 years as for admission profession and introduced single window system. It was during his time that achieved award during the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. He has a lot of international linkages, visited 14 countries 19 times for research linkage training, collaborated with the National Certificate for Atmospheric Research in US, Hadley Health Center, UK, Victorian Primary Industries, Australia, ICTP, Italy, Norwegian University of Life Sciences. Norway, 7 papers were presented in conferences held outside the country. Academic bodies, he is a member in the Board of Studies, Academic Council in Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. Academic Council member and chair of the Board of Studies at Power Engineering College, Autonomous College. His outreach to the activities for the benefit of the society is trained more than 700 officers on weather-based agro advisory, published 42 popular articles, 26 technical booklets for farmers, provide operational medium range, weather forecasting since 2007 for farmers' benefit and being continued at Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. Organized 3 international trainings for extension workers of Sri Lanka and Afghanistan besides various state level trainings. I am really wondering his educational help and research, administration, linkages, academic bodies, and ultimately to the benefit of the society. We are very proud to have our chief guest, an academician, a researcher, a field man, standing model to the society. We welcome him again. We thank him and we wish him all good health and cheer to serve to the society for a longer period. And especially younger graduates, it's a very golden and third day for you, 25th May. And the next year, Selvam College is going to have the silver jubilee year. I am sure we will all stand together to celebrate not only the victories, also take lesson from where we have failed, so that the younger generation will take the lesson. All your experiences and sharing will definitely benefit. And college is very important, the name is very important, and let us remember, let us wish for its good name and for the good future of all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I invite the chief guest, Professor Dr. R. Jagannathan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Peria University, Salem, to address the new graduates. I welcome you, sir.
சுழன்றும் ஏற்பின்னது உலகம் அதனால் உலகம் புலவேற்றர். Respected Sri Selvaraj, Chairman, respected Dr. S. Babu, Vice Chairman, Mr. J.M. Selvaraj, Trustee, Dr. P. Kavita Nandini, Secretary, Dr. N. Rajavelu, Principal, Dr. K. Arulswamy, Controller of Examination, dear faculties and administrative staff, and my dear students and awardees, warm greetings and wishes to everyone. At this auspicious morning, I would like to congratulate the management, faculties and the degree awardees for your untired effort and success. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Said by the 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln. His life was a remarkable journey marked by perseverance, leadership, and a profound historical significance. His powerful quote reminds us that our future is not something that happens to us, but rather something that we have to save and more. This quote emphasizes the power of the proactive action in shaping the future rather than waiting passively for events to unfold. Individuals and societies can influence and shape the course of events through deliberate planning, innovation, and action. By taking control of the present and working towards desired outcomes, we can steer the trajectory of the future in a different that aligns with our goals and aspirations. This mindset underscores the importance of the agency, vision, and determination in shaping our collective destiny. The status of contemporary society can very greatly depend on various factors such as location, culture, politics, economics, and social times. However, there are some overarching trends and issues that are common in contemporary discourse. Now, we live in an increasingly interconnected world driven by rapid technological advancements. The proliferation of smartphones, social media, and the internet has revolutionized communication commerce, and access to information. In this, education and skill open doors to numerous opportunities across various aspects of life. Education provides knowledge and skills needed to start and manage a business successfully. Entrepreneurs with relevant expertise can identify market opportunities, develop innovative solutions, and build sustainable enterprises. Education and skill proficiency can facilitate international mobility by providing increasing eligibility for work visas, scholarships, and employment opportunities abroad. Multilingualism and cross-cultural competency are particularly valuable in a globalized world. Education enriches individuals' lives by fostering critical thinking, creativity, and personal growth. Acquiring new skills, pursuing intellectual interest, and engaging in lifelong learning contribute to overall well-being and fulfillment. Education plays a crucial role in promoting social mobility by providing individuals from disadvantaged backgrounds with the opportunity to improve their economic status. Access to quality education can help bridge the gap between different socio-economic groups. Educated and skilled individuals are better equipped to contribute positively to their communities and society at large. They can use their knowledge and expertise to address social challenges, advocate for social justice, and promote sustainable development. In today's rapidly evolving job market, education and skill development enhance individuals' adaptability to technological achievement and economic change. Lifelong learning enables individuals to stay competitive and navigate career transitions effectively. Education provides opportunities for networking and collaboration with peers, mentors, and professionals in one field of interest. Building connections and relationships can lead to mentorship opportunities, partnerships, and career advancement. Particularly, today, opportunities in artificial intelligence are abundant and diverse, spanning various industries and applications. AI has a transformative potential in healthcare, from disease diagnosis and medical imaging through drug discovery and personalized treatment. AI-powered diagnostic tools, predictive analytics, and virtual assistants enhance patient care, improve outcomes, and streamline care delivery. AI plays a crucial role in the development of autonomous vehicles, enhancing features such as adaptive cruise control, landkeeping assistance, and collision avoidance. The advancement of AI technologies is paving the way for fully autonomous cars and revolutionizing transportation systems. AI is transforming the finance industry through applications such as algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and credit scoring, risk management, and customer service chatbots. AI enhances the e-commerce experience by providing personalized product recommendations, dynamic pricing, customer segmentation, and inventory optimization. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants improve customer service and engagement. AI-based educational tools offer personalized learning experiences, adaptive tutoring, and skills assessment. And AI-powered platforms facilitate remote learning, knowledge retention, and professional development across diverse domains. That's why we discussed in the morning when I came here in the morning, myself and secretary were discussing about the attitude of our students, attitude of our parents, and attitude of the entire society here in studying in the colleges. And the people are preparing to open schooling online. and make themselves study themselves and go for not attending the classes, and they wish to go outside and enjoy the benefits, which is not the actual requirement for you people youngsters. Overall education and skill development empower individuals to seize opportunities to overcome challenges and achieve their personal and professional aspirations. So I always say to achieve such personal growth, economic prosperity and social progress, I request all of you to follow at least 3 routines every day, which are important for your entire life, not only for today. The first routine I usually used to recommend is walk to sweat, which means that you should walk at least for 20 minutes at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour. If you walk for 20 minutes, I assume that you will get sweat. Why walk to sweat? Because it will help to both sides of your brain gets activated and you will be brisk for all the day. That's why we always recommend morning walk after your routine issues, then always walk for 20 minutes, at least for 20 minutes, so that your brain gets activated. That's why we ask, besides your health benefits. The second routine I always recommend is pranayama. Pranayama means that breathing exercise. Why we need to breathe this? This was 3,000 years back, our forefathers have given this kind of pranayama practice. Now there is a verse given, ஏற்றி இறக்கி இருகாலும் குறிக்கும் காற்றை பிடிக்கும் கணக்கறிவாளர் இல்லை, காற்றை பிடிக்கும் கணக்கறிவாளருக்கு கூற்றை உதைக்கும் குறி அதுவாமை. Which means that you can kick death card. யமனையை ஏற்றி உதைக்கலாம்னு சொல்றாங்க. So that's why I request to follow the second routine of pranayama every day. It will take only 10 minutes to do that. And the third routine, which is almost important for every time of your day, is doing meditation. Meditation உடனே சாமி கும்பிடுறது மட்டும் meditation. It is beyond. Why? Your mind races at a speed of at least 3 seconds per woman and 6 seconds per man. That means your mind is not stable. And this difference between men and women, 3 seconds and 6 seconds, makes the woman a multitasking ability personality. Though it is required, but you should keep that mind raised to a calm state of mind. So I request you to follow a routine of 10 minutes. After this, you cannot simply ஆரம்பிச்ச உடனே உங்களால் மைண்டை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணவே முடியாது. It requires training, some training and time. முதல்ல எந்த செகண்டும் உங்களால் திங்க் பண்ணுறதை மாற்றிக்கிட்டே இருக்க முடியாது. நீங்கள் உங்கள் திங்கிங் ஓடிட்டே தான் ஸ்லோவாக தான் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ நம்ம ஃபார்மர் செக்ரட்டரி, சீஃப் செக்ரட்டரி இதயம் எப்பவுமே சொல்லுவார், அட்லீஸ்ட் 2 நிமிஷம் உங்களால் அமைதியாக இருக்க முடிஞ்சுன்னா நீங்கள் தான் டாப், அப்படி நீங்கள் தான் சூப்பர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவார். பிகாஸ் he has given lot of books, he has written lot of books, he has given a lot of speeches, and because he is my junior in agriculture university, and those schemes helped the entire community of agriculture graduates to become IAS, IPS officers. That's why you may remember that many of the agriculture officers are become IAS and IPS officers. So I request you follow the 3 routines, because these 3 routines are important for your entire life. Don't till death you should follow this. Then only you will be always brisk and always keep your mind calm and able to work for the best. Not only in your life, in your home life, but also in official life. So I request to follow first to walk to sweat, then go for pranayama for 10 minutes, then for meditation 10 minutes, so that you will be able to achieve whatever you think. That is important. Mainly for achieving that, I request you all of you to follow that. With these few words, I wholeheartedly congratulate Selvam Arts and Science College for providing the students with a learning-centered environment, assuring that all students have unbiased opportunities to accomplish their dreams and their educational goals. I also wish the awardees the successful completion of their degrees. Thank you, Honour.
Let the candidate be now presented by the head of the department, Dr. Saktive, Head Department of Tamil. Welcome, sir.
Gold medalist Vasanthi S, silver medalist Parameshwari A, Swati G, Chandru R, Deenadayalan S, Global Sarari J, Naveen S, Prasant P, Chinu N, Sivaraj A, B.A. Tamil, Megha P, gold medalist, Rosini S, silver medalist, Abhinaya A, Bhavadarani R, Divya R, Manimeli P, Nandini C, Saranya D, Gautam C, Logeswaran M, Madan S, Meenakshi Sundaram D, Mohan Raj R, Navamani B, Premchand M, Saravanan S, Kamilarasan K, Nandakumar E, Kishore Mugil R, Dinesh K, MA English, Anisa S, gold medalist, Ashira Begum A, silver medalist, Karthika P, Kirtana S, Dirtika J, Gausiya P, Nitra S, Nirmala M, Punita S, Samyukta V, Ranjit Kumar M, Srikant R, Darun C, BA English, Abhirami R, gold medalist, Gausia D, silver medalist, Agila R, Darshani D, Kovil Priya S, Garniga J, Kriptika M, Kumani C, Priyadarshini D, Reslika B, Bharani K, Yugapriyan M, Karini B, Madhavaraj R. Thank you.
I present unto you the candidates in person in the Department of BCom, CA and BBA who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of University Salem. Department of Commerce CA, Soumya S, College Gold Medalist. Harish P, College Silver Medalist. Sirajudin M. Dakshana D. She did both BCom, CA and Diploma in Income Tax. Divya M. Gauri R. Kemalata M. Kavya M. Lalita G. Lorishwari S. Madhupriya yes. Mahalakshmi yes. Meghalapuri B. Pavitra R. Ajay K. Arul yes. Bharat B. Bharat L. Bharati R. Kubalan R. Deepak Raj yes. Damodaran M.K. Dhanush B. Dilip Kumar yes. Dinesh yes. Gokul K. Gokul Raj B. Gautam G. Gunasegan T. Hariganan D. Kamalakannan B. Kannan A. Kartik T. Kartikeyan M. Loganathan R. Maheshwaran G. Mani Bharati K. Manoj G. Raghu Sudha S. Sophia P. Sivasankari S. Varsha K. Vivika R. Muhammad Jubir Khan B. Muhammad Adil A. Parthasarathy S. Prabhu M. Pradeep S. Rajadurai G. Sakti Kumar M. Sandeep G. Sangeet M. Sanjay G. Santosh M.J. Santosh S. Sarvasan P. Sasikumar P. Sedupati P. Sri Dineshwari S. Srikant A. Sri Ram S. Sayyid Javed S.L. Vishwa S. Next, the Department of Business Administration, Parthiban B. College Gold Medalist. Jeevanandam S. College Silver Medalist. Kannan R. Abarna P. Anita L. Hema S. Kalpana P. Manimegalai P. Mohana R. Abhishek S. Ajit Kumar S. Harpat A. Arul M. Arun Kumar B. Balaji G. Bhuvaneshwaran S. Darshak D. Gopinath S. Gokul S. Gopal Krishnan B. Harish M. Harinishwa R. Jairam R. DB and DAT. Karthik M. Karthik N. Hyderabad M. Ravi D. Manav D. Maheshwaran K. Manish Prabhu K. Nandam Kumar P. Guna S.B. Divagar S. Nalayini N. Neelavadi A. Ranjini R. Sangavi P. Shalini S. B. Subramanian S. Sriram G. Sudhagar G. Sudhagaran N. Suresh Kumar S. Surya R. Rangaiya K. Vanraj A. Sri Hari P R. Sharmila S. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Let the candidate be now presented by Dr. S. Goswami, Head Department of Commerce. Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidate who presents in the Department of Commerce and Physical Education, who will be certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Maria University, Salem. Saundarya S. Gold medalist, Kavya K. Silver medalist, Aruna A. Lavanya S. Reshma V. Vishwasini S. Ajit S. Ilavarasan S. Guna N. Arvind Kumar A. Arvind Prakash S. Mohan Raj V. Sanjay Kumar V. Vinod R. Kavin M. Madhavan R. B.Com. Abhinaya Sri S.I. Gold medalist. Sarmila Devi M.E. Silver medalist. Bhupalan Akalya Dhanalakshmi R. Gopika P. Vinita S. Deepika S. Krishnaveni S. Nitya S. Padma Priya K. Pavitra M. Pradima K. Priya Surega S. Sangeeta S. Ashwin S. Balaji M. Bharat P. Chandru P. Chandru P. Dinesh R. Dinesh Kumar S. Ilavarasan R. Gokulan S. Gokulavan M. Gokulnath G. Gokul Prasad S. Gokul Prasad M. Jayant Kumar S. Jivananda M. Jividan R. Jagan S. Jagadishwaran P. Kamalakannan S. Karthikeyan L. Manivel S. Priya M. Priyadarshini R. Ragini S.
Sangeeta R, Shalini A, Divisha S, Prakash D, Prashant G, Prem Krishna M, Pushparaj R, Rahul Khan D, Ranish D, Ranjit D, Rohit A, Santosh Kumar R, Saravanan A, Sivakumar A, Sivakumar A, Sriram R, Stalin A, Subramani C, Surya D, Pranav Rasul J, Vishal BP, Vishnu D, Raghavan S, Priyanka K, Rudra Pasupati R, Department of Physical Education, Anita K, Gold Medalist, Monisha M, Silver Medalist, Chitra P, Arun Kumar D, Bharat M, Gokul E, Gokul R, Gokul D, Puna S, Jayaprakash S, Karthikeyan D, Kavin M, Adanraj S, Naresh S, Netaji S, Naya Prasad J, Mari Anand S, Sabarinath M, Suresh K, Surya C, Surya M, Vikram A, Vishnu Kumar M. Thank you.
Let the candidate being represented by head of the department, Mrs. K.K. Kavita, Computer Science.
Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidates in course in the Department of Computer Science who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bachelor in Science. MSc Computer Science, M. Sneha Gold Medalist, P. Selvakumar Silver Medalist,
was presented by Mr. Suresh Gandhi, head of the Department of Hotel Management and Catering Science.
Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidates in the post in the Department of Hotel Management and Catering Science, Physics, Chemistry, who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Periyar University, Salem, Hotel Management and Catering Science, Brinda, Ajit Kumar, Abhinayagan, Arun Kumar S, Dhanush Babu L, Gokul K, Kani Perumal R, Kapil R, Manivel S, Prakash, Prasad A, Arun Prasad R, Safiullah B, Sasi Kumar S, Department of Physics, MSc Physics, Yoga Training, College Gold Medalist, College Silver Medalist, Aisha S, Abhinaya R, Denisha S, Lavanya M, Lokeshwari T, Maitreyi S, Nisha R, Praktisha K, Purnevi, Jiva M, Arun Kumar R, Department of Chemistry, MSc Chemistry, Aparna RS, College Gold Medalist, Anita C, Deepa R, Vidya P, Jayanta J, Kavya S, Kirtika S, Preeti T, Ramya S, Rasika P, Shantini S, Sanjya A, Subhasri V, Subha M, Subha K,
now presented by Head of the Department, Dr. Girinda, Department of Microbiology.
Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person in the Department of Microbiology, Biotechnology and Botany who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Periyar University Salem, MSc Microbiology, Rupini S. Gold Medalist, Gautam S. Silver Medalist, Kalpana S. Monica J. Nandini T. Sandhya D. Sangeeta A. Amit Chalvi P. Harigaran B. Arun Kumar S. Madan Kumar S. Mahendran S. Prakash M. Tamil Selvan E. Vijay S. BSc Microbiology, Vinod Kumar S. Gold Medalist, Ramesh C. Abhinaya M. Aruna R. Deepika V. Divya K. Hema Gayatri S. Deepika M. Jyotika G. Raghavi A. Raghavi D. Sandhya N. Saundarya T. Vinodini A. Yasoda M. Arun Kumar R. Karan R. Manigandan S. Sri Raghav P. Sivapati S. MSc Biotechnology, Darshini P. Gold Medalist, Saundarya P. BSc Biotechnology, Gauri S. Gold Medalist, Abhinaya M. Satyapriya K. Sri Vandini R. Snega B. Himapriya P. Dasarathan S. Surat Pandey M. BSc Botany, Shalmi Darshini R. Gold Medalist, Kalishwari C. Silver Medalist, Tanushya G. Chandru M. Gopinath A. Diva S. Manoj P. Sasi Kumar K. Sandhyapan S. Thank you.
Candidate be now presented by Head of the Department, Dr. Raman Selvan, Department of Electronics and Communication.
Mr. Principal, I present to you the candidate in person in the Department of Mathematics and Electronics and Communication
who have
have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of ABCD Serum. Upon MSc Mathematics, Mangai Chemistry or Gold Medalist, Maitri S. Silver Medalist, Manisriya B. RPR, Jenita C. Malari S. Prabhavari B. Pragandya A.M. Reena K. Loksha S. Kishore S. Manimanan J. Nidhiswaran M. Sanjeev Kumar J. Surendran K. Vignesh K. Megha S. BSc Mathematics. Megha M. Priyadarshini S. Satyapriya D. Sinega M. Devapriyan J. Danish K. Lalit Kumar G. Danush Kumar B. Vigneswaran A. Yuva Prabhu K. Yuvraj G. Kirbanidhi P. MSc Electronics and Communication, Harish P. Gold Medalist. Ajay M. SIP Mundu E. Males C. Raghavan S. Shanmugam N. Venkatesh S. Soundararajan B. BSc Electronics and Communication, Mohammed Saud, Gold Medalist. Chandu S. Silver Medalist. Lakshmi Narayanan S. Mohan Rai M. Nandakumar R. Nityanandan B. Surya T. Vinod M. Yuvraj A. Sibiraj T. Subramaniam T. Prasanna Nayini V. Vijay Anandiyam, Kalachindri S. Sivachandru T. Praveen A. Bharati S. Vikram T. Parthiban B. Balaji M. Nesa Prasad M. Bhuvneshwari A. Kumar N, Sridharan M, Ajesh S, Bhuvaneshwaran S, Karthik B, Mani M, Manigandan P, Manoj N, Nadavel P, Sathivel R, Ajay K, Sanjay J, Rujutan G, Gogul G, Prashant S, Ganga R, Gary G, Durga P, Surya T, Hinduja R, Mohan Kumar M, Santosh Jain B, Manigandan M, Manigandan S, Sanjay Kumar P, Deepak T, Prasanna V, Sividasan G, Muralidharan T, Sai Ibrahim U, Bhuvaneshwar Sundar C, Guna A. Thank you. And repeat after me. We solemn thought. Repeat after me. We solemn thought. Word and deed. Ever endeavor. To be scrupulously honest. In the discharge of our duties. In our profession. And shall uphold the dignity and integrity of our profession and the honor of our university. We shall uphold and advance social order and the well-being of our fellow members and shall devote all our energy to promote unity, integrity, and the secular ideal of our country. Selvam Arts and Science College, Autonomous, Namakkal. I admit you to several degrees for which you have been declared qualified, and in token whereof I permit you to bear the academic hopes on it as the insignia of your degrees. Thank you. Let us stand up for the national anthem.
ஆரம்பிக்கிட்டோம் सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उज्जल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा नव शुभ नामे जागे नव शुभ आशीष मागे गाते तव सेवादा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय